Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Kia Sorento in an LX trim and powered by a 2.4-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency and all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a very spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. Underneath this cover, you have a ton of extra storage underneath, as well as under here you have your jack and some more room. Do have a 12-volt power outlet there, right, as well. Looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three, very spaciously, fold-out armrests and two cup holders in the middle, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet. And looking into the front, we have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 83,835 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls as well as your buttons to cycle through your information here, such as your digital speedometer, your drive mode, fuel economy, your trip information. Then you can also cycle over to your all-wheel drive status, then your user settings and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and then further to the left you have your traction control shutoff as well as blind spot monitoring system. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there for whatever you want to listen to. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And then moving down, you have your hazards and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, as well as having heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. Below that, you have this compartment with your two 12-volt power outlets, USB and auxiliary, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio. And you also have a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. Then you have your main shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. You have your all-wheel drive lock and drive mode selector button for Eco, Sport, Smart, and Comfort. Then you have two cup holders, little tray, and then your center compartment / armrest with a removable tray and a ton of room inside for all of your stuff. But if you're interested, well, I believe that should cover our look at the interior. Now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.